All right. Well, here we are. First, I'd like to say happy Movember. As you can see, I'm actually growing a mustache. But besides that point, I just want to address two issues. First off, in the news, we're seeing that people want to get trans fats banned, and of course, at the same time, they want to increase the use of statins by about a third because of all the heart disease that's going on. So it's sort of interesting to see that yet the trans fats actually are being reduced by companies. They've been reduced for the last 10 years. However, the heart disease is still going up, and now they're talking about using statins for about a third of all the U.S. population because I guess we're all overweight and things like that. Now, the real question is, what is causing all this heart disease? I mean, if you look at nature, where animals roam free, such as deer, probably being a good example, they don't have those same issues. They don't have heart disease. They don't have cancer. They don't have, they're all in good shape. You don't see fat ones. Where you do see fat animals is animals that live with human beings. They tend to be overweight. So the real question is there something in our diet that's causing all this? Now, I would assume that there really is. First off, we eat a lot of sugars, and we also eat a lot of unhealthy fats, and of course we eat a lot of food. Why are we able to do this? Well, because of a couple of reasons. One of which is industrial farming, which is sponsored by the government. The government provides about $200 billion in federal food aid. So if you don't, so whenever you go out and you buy cheap food, it's actually not really cheap food. It's subsidized by your tax money by about $200. Most of this food is processed, and also a lot of the food is grown on topsoil, where the topsoil is not really there anymore. Instead, it's actually been it's now covered with petrochemicals, which makes this grow. There really isn't a lot of nutrients or minerals within that kind of soil, unfortunately. So we're really not getting the natural stuff that we need for our bodies to be able to fight off infection and disease and things like that. You ask yourself, well, what are solutions to this? Well, probably it would be get the government out of farming, out of a lot of the regulations, allow local farmers to grow more food, and probably pull most subsidies for big farms. So those are possible solutions. If you have any ideas of your own, please comment. Thank you.